Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a consent form. The platform that we'll be using is JotForm, and the reason why I recommend JotForm is because you can get started for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto jotform.com. Once on the platform, you're going to simply sign up using your email address. After you have signed in using your email address, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And the next thing you're going to do for me is go to the top menu option and you're going to hover over templates. Then you're going to select form templates. After selecting form templates, you'll be redirected to this page. And all you'll need to do now is scroll down, and I want you to pay attention to the left hand menu option. And from here, you're going to tap on consent form. After you have tapped on consent form, you can see that you'll have access to over 710 templates. So that means you have the pick of the litter to choose any one of these forms that you would like to use, whether you would like to use one for passenger disclosure or you want a medical consent form. You can choose from any one of these, or you want travel consent forms. You'll have numerous templates that you can choose from. Or if you want dental consent forms, better yet, any one of these forms that you need, you can choose from. So let's say for this example, I will choose one of the travel consent forms. So let me scroll back up, and right where you see travel consent form, I'm going to tap on see all. After you have tapped on see all beside the form that you'd like to use, you will see all of the templates in that heading. Then once you have found one that you like, you are going to tap on use template. After you have selected use template, you'll be redirected to a new page on which you'll be able to edit the form. So the first thing you can do, you can upload your company logo if you want. Then you are going to tap on save. After you have done that, you can see how the template looks. So at the moment, this is our template right here. And by the way, you can edit this by adding or removing any section you want. So if you'd like to change the title, all you have to do is tap on the title, and then from there you can change it. Also, by scrolling down, if you would like to remove any section, so let's say for example sake we want to remove this section, all you'll have to do is simply tap right there. Then you will see the trash can beside it, and you could select remove, and you'll be able to remove that particular section. Or if you'd like to remove this table, you could simply tap on it and select remove. If you would like to remove one of the columns, you can tap on the X beside the column. Also, if you would like to add anything to the form, all you have to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you can add any one of these elements. So if you like to add email, or if you like to add phone number, or anything that you would like to require, you can do that. As you can see right here, you can input any one of these in the form. Also, if you would like to add payments, you can do that. By tapping on payments, you can add Square, you can add PayPal Business or PayPal Personal. You can add any one of these. And once you have added them, you'll simply add your PayPal information on JotForm. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to select preview form. So let's see how the form looks, and you can see how it would look on a desktop. You can tap on phone to see how it would look on a phone, as you can see right here. So this is how it would look on a mobile. If it is to your liking, you're going to toggle off preview form. Then you're going to go up to the top of the menu option and you're going to select publish. After selecting publish, from here you will have this link that you'll be able to share. So all you'll need to do is copy the link, then you can share it on whichever social platform you want. Or if you would like to send it via email, you can do that by simply tapping right here, and you could enter the person's email address. Or if you want more sharing option, you could tap on view more. Then from there, if you would like to create a QR code, you can simply tap on download QR code, and you would be able to share it via QR code. And by the way, if you have a website that you would like to add it to, you can simply tap on embed from the left hand menu option and you would be able to embed it on your website, or you can add it directly to your website by simply tapping on platforms. Then once you have selected platforms, you can select the platform that you would like to add it on, or if you would like to download it as a PDF, you can tap on download PDF. Then you could select download right here. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.